हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपके साथ हूँ स्टैंडर्ड 8 का इंग्लिश बाल भारती 3.2 लेशर इस लेसन की इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेकर। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, से वेयर डॉट डॉट डू द काउज एंड शीप स्टैंड? आंसर, they stand beneath the dot of trees. B question, dot do squirrels store their food? Answer, they store their food in grass. C है dot do stars shine in the daytime? Answer, they shine in streams full of water. D है dot does beauty smile begin? Answer, beauty smile begin in her eyes. Question number 2, think and answer in your own words. उसमें A है, what could have inspired the poet to compose this poem? Do you think it related to your present day life? Defend your choice. So this one is the answer. B question, which lines proves that in your busy lives we do not even have a fraction of a second to enjoy nature's beauty? So the poor life is full of care. We have no time to stand and share. See, beauty in stanza 5 to 6 can refer to beautiful maiden as well as nature itself. Explain when and how nature dances and also smiles. So this one is the answer. Question D, why does the poet call our life poor? पोएट ने हमारे लाइफ को पुअर क्यों बोला है, ऐसा क्यों कॉल किया है? Here poor does not refer to not having money. Here the word poor refer to not having leisure time. Our lives have no meaning. We cannot pursue other activities or our hobbies because we have no leisure time. The entire time we are rushing about our work and our duties. We have become morons in our lives. Hence, the poet calls our lives poor. Question number 3. You have learned that when a human attributes is given to anything that is not a human being or it is spoken of as a person, the figure of speech used is called personification. First, pick out 2 examples of personification from the poem. Okay, first one है, and watch her feet how they can dance. Second one है, no time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes begin. Question B है, pick out from the poem 2 examples of each of the following figure of speech: alliteration, smiles, metaphor. So first alliteration के 2 example है, we have no time to stand and share. Streams full of stars like skies at night. Smile के streams full of stars like skies at night. और B है, and stare as long as sheep and cows. After that metaphor के no time to turn at beauty, glance and watch her feet how they can dance. Question C. The poet opens his poem with a question. Is the question asked to receive some answer? No, it is a question used to emphasize and stress upon the fact that modern man has no time to enrich his life from nature. Such a device used by poets falls under the figure of speech called interrogation or rhetorical question. Refer to poem The Pilgrim and find example of interrogation. So ये है आंसर. Next question. Question number 4. Say whether the image from nature given in the poem exists: air, land or water.
Beneath dots.
इसमें आएगा land. Squirrel hide nuts in grass. इसमें आएगी land. After that dreams in daytime. ये आएगा water. After that stars or skies at night. ये है एयर। Question number 5. Make a paraphrase of the poem. Lecture in your own simple words. Write it down in your notebook. So ये है paraphrase. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.